Don't cook this. All right, team, we're making a holiday appetizer that you guys are gonna love. We're using a base of that Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits. We're going in with some cooked sausage. Make sure you cook it, all right? Now here's what's gonna throw you off. We got some uncooked shrimp going in. Bloop. I've minced it up pretty finely. And then I got some low moisture mozzarella cheese. Now I know it says Cheddar Bay biscuits, but I think Mott's will go better with the sausage and the shrimps. So that's what we're using. It's about a cup's worth. And if you got time to grate your own cheese, knock yourself out. But if you're gonna be honest with yourselves, most people have that cheese in the bag already. So hit me in the comments because I know you will. And we're just gonna give this a big old mix. Make sure everything's incorporated, combined. All right, team, we're looking pretty good. We got our mini muffin tin right here. If you don't have a mini muffin tin like this, don't worry about it. Just use a cookie sheet. But this is just gonna kind of keep them all together. Got about a ½ ounce of a ball right there. We're just gonna put it in the muffin tin. Doesn't have to be exactly a ½ ounce. Just get it so it fits. Remember, these are bite-sized little bits, right? These are little canapes, hors d'oeuvres, hors d'oeuvres, all right? I can see you getting made fun of in the chat with that one. Hors d'oeuvres. Oh, I'm just cracking myself up over here. All right, I'm not gonna make you watch me do all of these. All right, all the holes are filled. Pause. Let's get in the oven. All right, guys, these are pretty small. I know the box calls for 425, but we're putting it in at 400 for about 15 minutes. It should give everything time to cook, right? We use cooked sausage because that wouldn't cook in that amount of time in there, but the shrimps will, you know, the shrimps cook fast, right? So, oh, and by the way, I greased this, okay? I don't know if I mentioned that, but let's get this in the oven. I'll see you in a sec. And you know we're gonna make that little garlic butter that you brush over the top. So we got our butter in the little packet. We'll melt that together. Team, we're out of the oven. These are looking nice. Whew. Got that melted garlic butter. Just go over the top with it. There's the dish that's still hot. Let's pop these out and give them a try. That's little bites of goodness right there, y'all. Whew. Let's get a bite. Y'all, these are bites of heaven. Shrimp, sausage, those Cheddar Bay biscuits. What's not to love? I didn't know it was good, baby.